in this question we have to find variance and standard deviation for the given raw data. Now, the data is, first of all we will be just writing xi, it is 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. Now, summation for xi is equal to, now on adding we will be getting 2 to 8. Okay. Now, from table, summation for xi is equal to 2 to 8. N is equal to 12. Total number of terms, these are 12. Now, mean is equal to 1 upon n summation for xi. Now, this is equal to 2 to 8 upon 12 is equal to 90. Okay. So, we are having mean as 90, first thing. Now, next, on the next column we are going to write xi minus x mean. Okay. Now, this becomes negative of 11, negative of 9, negative of 7, negative 5, negative 3, negative 1, then 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. Okay. Now, whole square. So, it is 121, 81, 49, 25, 9, 1, 1, 9, 25, 49, 81, 121. Okay. Now, the summation we are getting as xi minus x mean whole square is equal to, now this becomes 572. Now, variance, sigma square, it is 1 upon n summation for, even in place of n you can write 12 also, okay, one and the same thing. I is equal to 1 xi minus x mean whole square. So, this is 1 upon 12 times it is 572. So, this becomes 47.67 approximately. Variance for the variance, do one thing, just write like this, okay. Now, standard deviation. Standard deviation sigma is equal to 1 upon n summation for xi minus x mean whole square and its square root. Okay. So, square root of 47.67. 6.90. Answer. Now we are having three different answers. Variance, standard deviation and mean. Answer, answer and answer.